So this is the lobster. It's been about, say, 20 minutes since Hiro separated, and pretty lifeless. So I asked Hiro, what happened, Hiro? Hiro, what happened to the lobster?
I think it's already dead.
But,
It's already.
So what does it say?
That's it.
When you dispatch a lobster, do you dispatch it from the head and then it's pretty much done? Because listen, you dispatch it from the body and it's done also.
Right.
You know? So maybe that's one way to dispatch a lobster. I'm not sure. Okay. Anyway, Hiro-san, how are you?
Okay. Yeah. Good afternoon again.
Good
everyone.
afternoon. As you saw from the previous videos,
Yeah.
Hiro did a buttery lobster roll from this Maine lobster, and just to show everyone the price, paid about $13.30 a pound. It's almost 3 pounds. This lobster was about $38 whole, and so half of the tail, well, half the lobster, the tail went to one dish, and now the claw is going to be used for another. Okay.
So today I'm gonna do 2 claws.
Okay.
So one for steam, actually one for the tempura. But first I'm gonna do 2 steam first.
Okay.
And I want to pick up a little bit earlier. And the tempura lobster with spicy lobster on top.
Nice.
Something like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Let's do it, Hiro.
All right.
All right.
So anyway, ingredients I'm gonna use this one,
Okay.
avocado again, and then making spicy lobster. With a little Japanese mayo here, and
Okay.
tempura butter here.
All right. Very
Okay.
good, Hiro. Is it still moving?
No.
No?
It's not not moving.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Put in the steamer.
And how long, Hiro?
This is 5 minutes, even 5, less 5 minutes.
Okay.
First one I'm gonna pick up about 3 minutes.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna do tempura. So,
All right.
right, good. Okay, first one I'm gonna pick up. Okay, and another one more minutes. For now.
Okay. Very good.
Okay. Another one ready too. Gotta do chop.
Karate chop. Oh, Hiro. Very nice. Those hands are made from steel, Hiro.
Last time you do remember the juice
Oh, yeah.
splash
everywhere.
into.
Very little meat, but
Yeah, it's
maybe the
very-
knuckles has some too.
It's very little meat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is going to be the tempura.
Okay. Can we see that karate chop again, Hiro?
Because the chop, sure. But also I'm gonna take off this one. Yeah, gotta chop, but in case I'm gonna cover up, no splashing.
No surprise.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Good, right?
Oh, look at that. Sure. your palm print on it.
Okay, this one go for the spicy side. Okay, tempura.
Batter is pretty light too here, I see. Your batter is pretty light, not too heavy, not too thick.
Yeah, it's kind of. Be careful. Ooh. Splashing. Okay, ready. All right, apply the meat here.
Okay, that's really good.
Okay, next one is a spicy lobster. I think this one's shredded might be better. This much I want to cut it. Put it up. A little bit of sriracha. Kimchi sauce. Sesame oil. And mayonnaise in additional. If you don't like it, you don't need to put it. Okay, like that. Okay, this just keep on the side. Okay, let's make a raw sushi now. Would you like a seaweed outside or a seaweed or
Let's do seaweed outside.
outside? Okay.
What do you think, Hiro?
Yeah, sure. Standard. I mean,
Okay.
I like a seaweed outside.
A little different. Again, Florida avocado because we couldn't find ripe Hass avocado. Normally we do love Hass more.
Okay, load it up. Okay, 8 piece. Okay.
Looks really good here.
Yeah, it's good.
Perfect bite size. Wow.
Yeah, not too big.
Not too big at all. This is perfect. I was thinking it's going to be too small. Maybe not lobster. This is perfect. Wow, tremendous.
If you have some green, it's gravy. Green is nice too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, looks great. Can't wait to try this one here, son. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Okay, Hiro-san, to the best part of all. Always
tasting part is good.
Oh, yes. Are you ready for this delicious spicy lobster, spicy tempura roll? Okay.
Right.
Enjoy, Hiro.
This one, a lot of Lobster too.
You like it? A lot of lobster, right? Just remember, this was 2 claws, basically half the lobster. The lobster was around $38. So this portion costs us about, including the avocado rice, which is not that much anyway, but about $19. $19, $20 for this portion. Our cost. What would you sell it for? Right?
Yeah, from the two crows.
Wow. Let me tell you, the recipe for the spicy lobster is delicious. I eat a lot of your spicy tuna and salmon, but this lobster, we don't even eat that much. So good, Hiro.
Good.
Excellent, excellent recipe and dish. You know, I would like to see maybe a little masago in there mixed in, you know? That would be nice, maybe.
Yeah, masago. Lately, I'm not so much a masago fan, but instead maybe masago I gonna put
Some scallions, huh?
Ikura.
Oh, ikura, yeah. Be nice. Then little scallion. I know I'm missing a little color, but still looks beautiful. So good. Sorry, that was looking for a thumbnail. So good.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you so much. See you soon. Try this
fine.
at home, guys, if you can. Delicious.